Okay, once you've learned how to play I'm a Child of God and you've mastered the chords and how they go with the words, you can learn something called the arpeggio strum. And that makes it sound like your ukulele is a harp. It's so beautiful. So instead of strumming all 4 of the strings at the same time, you do them one at a time. Like this. I am a child of God, and He has sent me here, has given me an earthly home with parents kind and dear. Lead me, guide me, walk beside me, help me find the way. Teach me all that I must do to live with Him someday. Isn't that beautiful? That's called the arpeggio strum. So that's something you can do to really make your song sound just heavenly. I hope that you enjoy learning ukulele with me, and please put in the comments what song you'd like to learn next, and I will make another ukulele video for you. Thank you.